When it comes time to purchase a new roof for your home, you may consider price as the main deciding factor in the materials you choose. There are many different types of shingles, and knowing the benefits of each will help you to determine what's right for your house. Hi, I'm Mark Renner from Berkshire Hathaway Ambassador Real Estate. I'm known as Mr. Omaha. I've been voted the outstanding agent in Omaha twice, and I was recently honored by the Omaha Area Board of Realtors as being a legend in real estate. But today, I want to talk to you about the benefits of a shingle roof installation. The benefits are as follows. The variety. While many people think that shingles is plain black, that's not the case. There are tons of different varieties, colors, and textures to choose from. Some popular colors are green, tan, red, and brown. However, the basic darker earth tone ones, the brown and black, are the most popular. When it comes to textures, there are many to choose from. There's a wood-looking one, there's tile roofs, there's slate and shakes. However, shakes are becoming more and more difficult to find. They're expensive to install, and some insurance companies won't insure them. Affordability. When you take a look at the cost of various roofing materials, shingles tend to be more affordable than most. In fact, many start at about $50 per 100 square feet, or 1 square in roofing terms. Other designs like wood or concrete tiles can cost anywhere from $100 to $250 per square foot, but you can talk with a residential roofing provider in your area to help you get exact prices for different roofing material installations. More likely than not, though, shingles are likely going to be the cheapest on the market. Versatility. Many roofing contractors prefer installing asphalt shingles as opposed to other materials because they're more versatile. Forming different angles and shapes is easier to do with shingles than it is with other materials like wood shakes or concrete tiles. The only restriction when it comes to shingle roofing is that there must be a minimum slope for it to be effective. However, most U.S. homes meet this minimum slope requirement. Algae resistant, probably something you didn't think about. We've seen all those homes where it looks like there's green patches all over the roof. These are homes that are likely having issues with algae. The most susceptible roofing materials to algae is wood, which also allows for unsightly black staining. So most asphalt shingles are now manufactured with algae-resistant materials to ensure that you don't get any nasty growth on your roof. And last, increase in home value and marketability. You know, one of the most important things you can say in the comments in the multiple listing is that this house has a new or newer roof. Those are the types of things that will bring buyers to your front door through their agents. And the agents, when they see those comments in the multiple listing, love that so that they can take their buyer to your house that has a newer roof. So as noted, asphalt shingles have many benefits for homeowners, from being more affordable than other materials to protecting your roof from algae, and asphalt is the clear way to go. So asphalt shingles are the best. When it's time for your next roof installation, consider going with asphalt shingles. I invite you to go to my website and browse. I have many special reports on buying and selling houses. My contact information is streaming below. My website is markrenner.com. I can send you the different reports, or I can email them to you because I have them in a digital format. Or just give me an email, mark@markrenner.com, or a phone call, 402-690-1687. Please feel free to call me if you like further explanation on my videos, or if you have any real estate questions at all. I simply see my mission as striving to be as helpful as I possibly can to area homeowners. I hope this video provides the information you need to be an informed homeowner. So I appreciate you watching my video. Have a great day and be safe.